Hello students, let us continue the session on polynomials. Yesterday we had solved two questions. I'll be solving second question again. You will recall it. They have given a cubic polynomial and the zero surface in the polynomial is of form a equals b equals 2. Some real numbers a and b. Find the values of a and b as well as the zero of the given polynomial. What is the polynomial given to us? We call the polynomial as p of x. Polynomial is x cube minus 6x square plus 3x plus 10. Let me take sum of the zeros if alpha, beta and gamma are zeros of this polynomial. If sum is minus coefficient of square by coefficient of x cube. Let's substitute. They are given zeros as a plus b and a plus 2. So in the place of alpha, let me take a. In the place of beta, let me take a plus b. In the place of gamma, a plus 2. Which is equal to the coefficient of x square is minus 6. So minus of minus x becomes positive 6 upon 1. Simplify this. It becomes 3 times a plus b equal to 6. So we get a plus b as 2. So let me write a as 2 minus 2. I'll call this as equation 1. Let us now take product of the zeros alpha into beta into gamma. Product of the zeros is minus constant divided by coefficient of x cube. Substitute it a multiplied to a plus b multiplied to a plus b equal to, we get it as minus 10. A I can replace by 2 minus b because from equation 1. Therefore, let me write a as 2 minus b multiplied to 2 minus b added to b multiplied to 2 minus b plus 3b equal to minus 10. Okay, by equation now. We have used equations. Here, minus b and plus b, if it cancel, we will be getting 2 minus b multiplied to 2 multiplied to minus b added to 2b will be 2 plus b equal to minus 10. This is like a minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square. This 2, I can divide both the sides by 2. I will be getting 2 square minus b square into minus 5. Let me continue this step here. We have got 4 minus b square minus 2. This implies minus b square into minus 9. This implies b value is plus or minus 3. Let us substitute in equation 1. Our equation 1 is a minus a is equal to minus 2. So take the value of b as positive 3. We take the value of b as positive 3. We get a is equal to minus 3, which is minus 1. So we have a and b values as minus 1, 3. Same way, you take a is equal to 2 minus 3 and p value as minus 3, you will be getting a as 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So a and p values are 5 comma minus 3. These are the zeros a plus 3 and a plus 2b. Now if you take, there are two cases, minus 1, 3 are the values of a and b. Take this, the value of a is minus 1, value of a plus 2 is minus 1 added to 2 is 2, and minus 1 added to 2 times of 3 is 5. If you consider a and b values as 5 comma minus 3, the value of a is 5, the value of b is 5 minus 3 is equal to 2, and value of a plus b is minus 3. So the zeros are minus 1, 2 and 5. Hope you have understood this now. Let us take up question 3. Given that root 2 is 0 of cubic polynomial 6x cubed plus root 2x square minus 10x minus 4, find its other zeros. If you recall, in class 9 we had similar type of question and we had followed long division method. Therefore, let us recall and solve it. Polynomial with given 0 will be x minus root 2. The reason is the 0 of this polynomial is root 2. Yet one of the 0 is root 2. Let me consider given a polynomial as p of x. It's x cubed plus root 2 times x squared minus 10 times x minus 4 root 2. As I said we will follow long division method and we will divide polynomial by polynomial wherein its root is half. So I will divide this 6x cubed root 2x squared minus 10x minus 4. Let's follow long division. So now I need to find out quotient. If you multiply x squared with x minus root 2, first term is 10. Next term is minus 6 root 2 times x squared. Change the sign and add them. First term will is cancelled. We will be getting 7 times root 2 square minus 10x minus 4 root 2. Now the first term has got coefficient as 7 root 2. So let us multiply positive 7 root 2 x to the polynomial. That's all. Just multiply that. We get 7 root 2 square minus what will be 7 root 2 multiplied to root 2? Root 2 into root 2 equals to 7 times is 15. Next, change the sign. First term we can cancel. We get positive for x minus 4 root 2. If you multiply positive 4 in x minus root 2, you will be getting 4x minus 4. Change the sign. Both these terms will get cancelled and we get the remaining 0. Means that the given polynomial p of x is the product of x minus root 2 multiplied with square plus 7 root 2x plus 4 square. Now recall, in 9th class, when we had got the question, we had factorized it. So let me take x square plus 7 root 2x plus 4 and factorize this by splitting the middle term. Now the sum here is 7 root 2 and the product is this plus 6 4 times this function. If you take the combination of 4 root 2 multiplied to 3 root 2, look at this, 4 3s are 12, root 2 into root 2 is 2, 12 2 by 6 24. Add them, you get 7 root 4. So we will take the combination of 4 root 2 and 3 root 2. So I will write this as x square plus 4 root 2x plus 3 root 2x plus 4. Group them and take common. We take 2x as common. I will be getting 3x plus 2 root 2 plus here I will take root 2 as common. I will be getting 3x plus 2 root 2. You understood why did I get this 2 root 2? The reason is 4 is 2 times 2. When it is 2 times 2, it's 2 times root 2 into root 2. So when root 2 is taken out, one of the root 2 and one of the 2 is taken. Therefore, we get 2x plus root 2 multiplied to 3x plus 2 root 2. Therefore, the given polynomial is the product of factors x minus root 2 3x plus 2 root 2 multiplied to 3x plus 4. So we have found all the factors. For remaining zeros, take 3x plus 2 root 2 is 0. Also 2x plus root 2 is 0. So we get its value as negative 2 root 2 by 2. And also its value is negative root 2 by 2. Therefore, all the zeros are root 2 minus 2 root 2 of 3 minus root 2 of 2. Let us now take up question 4. In the question 4, we are asked to find the value of k so that x square plus 2x plus k is a factor of 2x to the power 4 plus x cube minus 14x square plus 5x plus 6. Also find all the zeros of two polynomials. The two polynomials are x square plus 2x plus k and 2x to the power 4 plus x cube minus 14x square plus 5x plus 6. These are the two polynomials. One of the polynomial is a factor which is a quadratic polynomial and one more is a biquadratic polynomial. To find the value of k, we have to follow division method. So let me take the divisor as x square plus 2x plus k, and let me divide 2x to the power 4 plus x cube minus 14x square plus 5x plus 6. Look at the coefficient of each of the term. Now if you take the first term, the coefficient is 2, so I need to multiply 2x square. So I get 2x to the power 4 plus 4x cube plus 2k times of x square. We should be very careful. Wherever k is there, we should not forget to write that. Now change the sign. The first term, 2x to the power 4, will get cancelled. We will be getting negative 3x cube. I'll write this as plus. If x square is taken common, we have minus 14 minus 2k. So I'll write it as x square times of minus 14 minus 2k plus 5x plus 6. Now you simply observe the first term. We have to multiply minus 3x. So we get minus 3x cube plus, it becomes minus, 6 times of x square. I'll write it as x square times of. If I take this coefficient as positive, I have to write minus inside, so minus 6. Now 3x multiplied to k will be minus 3k times x. Once again change the sign. If you change the sign, the first term will get cancelled. Now simplify further. We have got x square. If we take it as common, we have minus 14 minus 2k, and minus of minus, it becomes positive 6. Minus 14 positive 6 will become 8. Therefore, I can write it as minus 2k minus 8 times of x square. Here if x is taken common, we will be having 5 plus 3k. So I will write it as positive 5 plus 3k times of x plus 6. Now the coefficient of x square to be multiplied, so I'll write minus 2k minus 8. Now if you multiply, the first term is minus 2k minus 8 times of x square. Now if you multiply this, minus 4k minus 16 minus 4k minus 16 times of x. Plus the constant term will become minus 2k square minus 8k minus 2k square minus 8k. Now the same way you change the sign and you will simplify. This will be minus, this will be minus, next will be plus and plus. The first term, x square term, will be cancelled. We will be getting 3k added to 4k, it becomes 7k. Then 5 added to 16, this is a 16, it's minus, so it becomes 7k plus 21. The 16 is not looking proper. 16 added to 5, which will be plus 21. Then the remaining terms are the constant terms, which is 2k square plus 8k plus 6. Look at this, the degree of this particular expression is 1 and the divisor's degree is 2. Therefore, this will be the remainder. Look at carefully, the given x square plus 2k plus k is a factor. What does it mean? It means that the remainder will be 0. If the remainder is equal to 0, I can write our remainder obtained as 0 times of x plus 0. So let me write it, x times of 7k plus 21 plus 2k square plus 8k plus 6 equal to 0 times x plus 0. Now compare the coefficient and the constants. 7k plus 21 equal to 0 I can equate. So I can find the value of k. So 7k plus 21 equal to 0 means k value is minus 3. Alright, now compare the constants. Let me write it here. 2k square plus 8k plus 6 equal to 0. Now use just split the middle term and we get it as 2k square plus, what will be the combination of the numbers? The product should be 12 and the sum should be 8. It is 4 and I have to take 2 common. Let me divide completely by 2. I will be getting k square plus 4k plus 3, which can be simplified and we get k plus 3 into k plus 1. The value of k is minus 3 or minus 1. If you observe it properly, this value k equal to minus 3, we have got it twice. So my preference goes there. I'll take the value of k as minus 3. If the value of k is minus 3, then I need to find the zeros of the two polynomials. Which are those two polynomials? That is divisor and the quotient. So take k equal to minus 3. Look at the divisor. The divisor becomes x square plus 2k minus 3. Now we need to factorize this x square plus 2x minus 3. The product is minus 3 and the sum is plus 2, which is possible with plus 3x and minus x. So if you take x as common, we will be getting x plus 3. If minus 1 is common, we get again x plus 3. So we got x plus 3 times of x minus 1. For finding zeros, we have to equate it to 0. Therefore, the zeros are minus 3 and positive 1. Now let us take quotient. Quotient will become 2x square minus 3x plus minus 2 times of minus 3 minus 8. Simplify this, we will be getting 2x square minus 3x minus 2. Further, I will split the middle term and write the middle term as minus 4x plus x plus 2. Therefore, we will be getting x common x minus 2 plus 1 common x minus 2. This implies the product of x minus 2 and x plus 1. So for zeros, we take x minus 2 as 0 and 2x plus 1 as 0. We get x as 2 and minus 1 by 2. Therefore, zeros of given polynomial is are minus 3, positive 1, positive 3 and minus 1 by 2. Since it is a biquadratic polynomial, we have got 4 different. One more important question, question 5. Given that x minus root 1 is a factor of cubic polynomial x cube minus x square plus 13x minus 3 root 5. Find all the zeros of polynomial. Let me consider the given polynomial g of x as x cube minus 3 root 5 x square plus 13x minus 3 root 5 x. Let me divide this g of x with a given factor minus root 5. So x minus root 5 is a divisor. Divide x cube minus 3 root 5 x square plus 13x minus 3 root 5. We have to each time check the coefficient and multiply accordingly. Multiply x square, I will be getting x cube minus root 5 times x square. Change the sign. This term will get cancelled. We will be getting negative 2 times 5 x square plus 13x minus 3 root 5. Look at the coefficient. We have minus 2 root 5. So minus 2 root 5 x multiplied will be getting minus 2 root 5 x square plus 10x because 2 root 5 multiplied to root 5 is 10. Change the sign. This first term will be cancelled. We will be getting positive 3x minus root 5. Now if you simplify 3, you get 3x minus root 5. You change sign and add them. is the reminder as 0. So it means that our given polynomial is combination of product x minus root 5 and x square minus 2 root 5 x plus 3. Now we need to factorize x square minus 3 root 5 x plus 3. How do we factorize that? Let us follow a different method. Let me write it as p of x is x minus root 5 times, this I will write as x square minus root 5 plus root 2 times of x minus root 5 minus root 2 times plus 3. Can I write like this? Think on those lines. Why do I write like this? Will this root 2 get cancelled? Probably yes, they get cancelled. Take the x common. Let me write it. Part of x minus root 5 multiplied if x is taken common, I'll be using minus root 5 minus 2. Now take root 5 minus root 2 as common. I'll be putting x plus 3 times 3 divided by root 5 minus 2. You have learned in your previous class, in class 9, how to rationalize the denominator. To rationalize this denominator, root 5 minus 2, we will be multiplying its conjugate, root 5 plus root 2. To do that, the denominator becomes 5 minus 2. This 3 and 5 minus 2 will get cancelled. Finally, we will be getting like p of x will be x plus root 5 multiplied by x times of x minus root 5 minus 2 minus root 5 minus root 2 times x plus becomes root 5 plus root 2. Now if you further simplify, p of x can be written as x minus root 5. Sorry, the previous step is minus root 5. So x minus root 5 times of it can be written as x minus root 5 minus 2 times of minus root 5 plus root 2. Zeros are root 5, root 5 plus root 2 and root 5 minus root 2. These are the zeros. I have to equate it to 0 and find the value of x. Once again, you go through this and solve it in separate piece of paper and check whether we get the zeros as root 5 or root 5 plus root 2, root 5 minus root 2. Try this. Hope you will get it. In this session, we have solved question 3, 4 and 5. These are of important type. Further in the next session, we will be solving some more questions and try to understand many more important concepts